Welcome back to Sudsies Dry Cleaners. Today, let's talk about our hand-finished shirt service, perfect for those special shirts that require a little extra care.
Do you own shirts that are made of delicate fabrics or have unique details? Perhaps they're slim fit, have a tapered construction, or include special appointments like decorative patches and pocket flaps. If so, our hand-finished shirt service is just what you need. Our hand-finished shirt service is designed for finer shirts that need gentler laundering and finishing. This includes popular stretch and no-iron shirts, which often contain blends of fabrics like lycra or spandex. These materials require lower temperatures and special handling to maintain their quality and shape. At Sudsies, we take these needs seriously. Our experienced staff uses specialized cleaning techniques that protect the delicate fibers and details of your shirts. We employ gentle washing methods and precise temperature controls to ensure your shirts are cleaned without causing any damage. The finishing process is equally meticulous. Each shirt is carefully hand-finished to maintain its unique structure and details. We pay special attention to areas like collars, cuffs, and seams to ensure they look impeccable. With Sudsies hand-finished shirt service, your finer shirts receive the attention and care they deserve, keeping them looking sharp and feeling comfortable. Thank you for considering Sudsies as your dry cleaners. We look forward to serving you and your garments soon.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.